Bangor. It's a nice spot. It's got a 1 acre lot. It's a private lot, so it's not in a mobile home park. It's kind of basically open floor plan. This model has got the cathedral ceiling throughout, so ceilings are nice and high. It's only about 12 years old, mid 2005 I think is what the owner said. So it's got a good sized living room, dining area. Appliances are pretty new. The tenant just moved out of this, so it hasn't even been cleaned, but they looked decent. You know, the bathrooms and floors and stuff need to be wiped down and stuff, but pretty good shape. The stove is about a year old, and this literally was just delivered. It's the reason that there's little pieces of foam because they unpackage it, but hasn't even been used. Another angle of the living room. And it's kind of neat because it's got a bathroom and a bedroom on each end, and there's a little either office or it could be a guest room maybe. It's small. It's about 8 by 7 I think. So it'd be a really small bedroom, but a good office. This is a master bedroom, which is a really good size. It's big enough to do a king size bed. It's got kind of a wall of closets on that side. Then right outside that door, you've got the laundry area. So you got a shelf plus washer dryer side by side. And then you've got a full bath. The bath, actually both bathrooms, the owners replaced the vanities. And they replaced the shower too. It had a relatively inexpensive one, and they did this a couple years ago. So it's a full fiberglass, you know, has got the seat. And it makes it kind of nice because you just step right into it. There's no accessibility issues. The other neat thing on this particular home is the fact that it's got a nice backyard. Again, because it's on its own lot, so it goes way back to the tree line there and goes into the field a little bit. Has a swing set and a little bit of a burn pit. Does have private well and septic, so there's no cost for water and sewer for the tenant. The owner just had the septic tank pumped. They figured with a new tenant it would make sense to have it done beforehand. And obviously the washer dryer hookup is electric. Most people don't have gas dryers anymore anyways, but it's fair to mention, I guess. Faucet. I'm trying to think what else. I guess pretty basic, but we'll go take a look at the other bedrooms on this end. You definitely get a little bit more bang for your dollar with this. Price point's kind of nice. This is a little bonus room. Again, not bad, but good for an office. Does have a little closet. It's just it's on the small side, so it could be a bedroom if somebody needed it, I suppose. And then the end bedroom. It's a little bit bigger. Still basic, but it's got the whole closet on that side, and you've got the second full bath here. So you've got, again, cathedral ceiling throughout, bath. They did the new vanity. It's actually got a granite top on it, which is kind of nice. We've got some paint touch up and, again, cleaning that will be done for any issues. The home would basically be available the end of this month. So if somebody's interested, you can do our application on rentbangor.com or give us a call, 207-974-6606.